Hey guys, so as you can see, this is a tan after I washed off, and this is from Sun Laboratories, and they have a dark, like medium dark and the darker shade, and I'm currently using the darkest one. So as you can see, I absolutely love it. Good gold bronze, skin colored going on. So really ready for the summer.
This color is buildable, so if you want like a darker tan and the first time you apply this, it's not as dark as you want it to be, you can totally apply it again the next night and the next night, and it will intensify and build up, which I love. And in fact, I do apply my self tanner about twice a week to kind of upkeep and build up that tan. The medium color is nice. It is lighter than the ultra dark, obviously, and though I don't mind the medium color, I do prefer a slightly darker ultra dark color. But again, you can still build up the medium color, so if you want like a lighter tan, still like a nice tan, definitely like a tan, but a lighter tan, medium color is good. But if you want like a slightly more intense, a darker tan, then ultra dark might be a better option, or the one I mentioned earlier, which I don't have, which is Dark Sensation. The last thing I want to talk about is
this is my absolute favorite self tanner, the Ultra Dark by Sun Laboratories. And as you can see, I'm looking very bronze. I feel so much more confident when I have a little bit of a tan going.
In between using the sunless tanner, that's when this maintainer comes in. This is basically a body lotion with a very small amount of DHA in it, okay, the sunless tan ingredient. They recommend using this every night before you go to bed or after a shower. The small amount of DHA will keep your sunless tan looking fresh. It'll keep it from looking blotchy and uneven. So you can use this in between to really help your tan stay at the same level it was the day after you use that. This stuff smells awesome too. It's got a very light texture. It is kind of like a gel, though it's not clear. It is opaque. It has sage extract in it, rosemary, again, vitamins C and E. Good stuff. Can't complain about it. Altogether, these three items are really a winning combination.
Hi, I'm here with Sun Laboratories using their medium self tanner, and I just want to show you guys how amazing it is. So this is the Instant Natural Look Bronze Glow, and it comes with this pump, and I just exfoliate, shave, all of that the night of tanning, and then use the Sun Laboratories mitt and put it on my legs, arms, everywhere that I shaved and exfoliated, and it leaves a beautiful glowy tan for about a week, week and a half, and no sticky residue and no uncomfortable scent.
I'm Katie and I'm a flight attendant. I love Sun Laboratories Instant Bronze Glow. It gives me that nice streak-free tan. It's like I've been tanning in the beach in Hawaii all day, but really it only took me a few minutes at home.
So here's Dark Sensation by Sun Labs. It's paraben free, it's cruelty free, it doesn't streak, and it lasts up to 10 days. So you go ahead, I already used one on one of my arms, so I'm going to use it on the other arm, so my arms will be evenly toned. So I find this is wonderful for tricking people into thinking that you actually go out into the sun, even though the sun is bad for you, of course. But it makes you look like that you actually spend time out there, outside, in the wild. I'm gonna put on a little bit, and then you just let it set in. Oh, and don't forget to do the underneath part, like with your wrist and everything. Because yeah, I always forget that part, every single time.